What's up, guys? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And if you guys want to see how I did this gorgeous grass wall plus neon sign, stay tuned.
Give me the best of the Bentley, what? Give me the best of the Bentley, what? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
Okay, guys, so these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a staple gun. Everything that I use I will leave down below, but you're gonna need a staple gun. You're gonna need some scissors, and this is the grass wall panel that the box came in. Well, it came in this box from Amazon, and it's a big box like this size, and it comes with 12 grass wall artificial grass panels. Okay, so you don't have to use it just for a wall. You can use it on any surface, I believe. But yes, I was just so excited to get it. It did have like a artificial kind of smell to it, like a fresh like new plastic or something. That's how it smelled. So yeah, I'm just taking the panels out, and again, it came with 12 squares. So here, also the grass wall panels did come with a whole bunch of zip ties, because you can zip them together and like close them together, attach them together with the zip ties. So that's what she's doing here right now. We was gonna kind of do it like 2x2s, but it did become a little tricky, so instead we just did it like at first I was having a hard time, you guys will see, and I wanted to keep like the imperfections in there. Like I wanted to keep or show you guys like how tough it was for me. Yeah. Don't come too close, please.
All right. You know what? You got it. Go ahead. I was gonna hold it. I was gonna help. You got it. Yeah, that's good. You gotta press it hard.
She building cushions like.
Are you getting it in the wall, babe? Nope.
So how do I do it? You think this is a fucking game?
Oh God. Nah, I really I'm about to go get a ladder, because there's no way you're gonna be able to do that and be able to get a proper grip. And you wasting staples. Are the staples even coming out?
I can't. Cut the camera.
Come on, bro.
Cut the camera. Watch out!
Shoes on, because it's staples on the floor.
And guys, listen, I was getting aggravated, but we got it together. We got it together. Okay, teamwork. Make the dream work. Okay, teamwork make the dream work. But yeah, it was real fun putting this up together with Bae, because you know, it was just fun. But with this, guys, definitely like you should have a ladder. A ladder is key, especially if you're gonna do it at the top of the wall. Thank God my walls aren't that high, and if I stand on like my couch or something, I can still like reach it. But it was a little hard because like with a staple gun, I didn't know how much force is needed to use a staple gun. Like, it's crazy. So right here, she's passing me some thumbtacks, and I'm just like kind of tacking it in the wall to hold it up for a little bit. and then I just she noticed there was a gap there, and I was just so annoyed because I had to take it out. So it's just really like, this is time consuming, and it's tedious. So it may look easy, but you definitely need to be, you need to do some push-ups before you do this, because that damn staple gun, you really have to, like, with a whole bunch of force, like, just, and it's really, for me, it was like really hard, like, to work that staple gun. But yeah, guys, it's really not that hard. It's not hard, but for me it was, because I never used a staple gun before. And like the way I was positioned, if I had a ladder, like I said, it would have been better and easier and quicker. But again, it's really not that bad, okay? And it was kind of hard to see the wall, and like you have to make sure the staples are in between the wall and the little square holes. It was like a lot. But you definitely, like, if you're gonna do it by yourself, this is something one person can do, but it's good to have at least someone helping you, you know. So yeah. So yes, guys, we are finally on the second row. And honey, I needed a break. So she kind of took over, and that was it. Yes, guys, you guys see it. You guys see it. I am loving my grass wall, deco wall, whatever you call it. Listen, y'all, listen. I'm just trying to get into the whole, you know, DIY, you know, all that other stuff. But y'all see the beautiful wall. I could cry because I been talking about this wall for like a year now. I think before I even moved, I've been talking about that wall. But it's just something that I really love. Like, I just want to go up so you guys could see at the top. Like, it's just so gorgeous, okay? And if you guys don't know, some of you guys don't know, but yeah, I've been talking about this wall for the longest, and I'm just so happy I have it. Now, here are the cords. These are the cords, and I usually just put it, you know, behind the couch or whatever. And this is the dimmer for the light. So that's the furthest. That's like the setting that is in now, that is on now. That's the brightest. So if I go down, you guys, wait, let me see. If I go down, you guys see it going down. Okay, so that's turning it on, and it goes deeper. So I love that. I really do love this light. Now, details about the light. I ordered the light from Etsy, a store on Etsy, and it's called, I'll leave all of that down below. But I end up paying $200 and something dollars, like $220 or $230 on this light. It says Neffy. You guys know me as GlamNefercent, but my name is Nefertia. Sometimes people call me Neffy. And GlamNefercent was a little too expensive for me. It was like in the $500-600s. So I didn't want to go with that. I wanted to go with something more frugal, less expensive. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and get the Neffy baby with the heart. And it took about like 2, maybe 3 weeks to get to me. It did come from Hong Kong. It's a store on Etsy, and they are in Hong Kong. Some people probably a little skeptical about that, but I personally, when I got it, I just sprayed it down with some Lysol and said a prayer, and that was it. Yeah, I personally love it. Now, guys, with the grass wall, okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, that ish is annoying. I don't like that. Like, you have to make sure before you even do any of these things. We use a staple gun. So before you even use the grass wall, you need to make sure that your wall can even take any staple guns. Because some people don't have walls with beams in it, or walls that can take anything in it. And that would be hard to achieve, okay? Or it can even take a thumbtack, okay? Because I use a lot of thumbtacks to hang stuff up. Like, that's just what I do. So, yeah. With that, we didn't have an issue. It's just, and the reason why I was standing on my sofa, I don't like standing on sofas, but the reason why I was standing on my sofa is because I didn't have a ladder. My mom had a ladder, but she took it when she went home. So I didn't have a ladder, and we had to get stuff done. So I did the top part, and then Babe did the bottom half, okay? So it was a little hard. Like, it was a lot of work. Like, you really gotta, like, really put your back into the staple gun. Now, the staple gun, everything that I got, I will leave down below. The staple gun was like $30, and the grass wall came with 12 panels, 12 square panels, and that was like $110, I think, something like that. So everything I got down below, I'll leave it I would probably leave it in my Amazon shop, so you guys could just shop and use that. Use my link so I can get some coin, honey. Yes. So yeah, like, then the sign. So the grass wall was like $110. The staple gun is like $30, so that's $140. Then the sign was like $230. So yeah, that's how much I paid for everything, and it was well worth it. I love it so much. Now when it comes to like, it's if you have a ladder, you should be good putting up the grass wall. I would say it took us about 2 hours. Okay, and one thing with the sign, the neon sign, it came with tiny little screws that didn't really fit in between like the grass wall and like the sign. So we had to go to the hardware store and get some nails. It was only like close to $2. It was under $2 for some longer nails, and babe used her drill gun and drilled the nails into the sign. So it was pretty easy. It's really not that hard. I hope you guys found this video to be easy. And I am enjoying it. Like I think it gives my couch a better, like more expensive view. Okay, like a more expensive feel to like my apartment, and I just love it because I'm glamorous. I like everything glammed up, honey. So that's just me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a big fat thumbs up. And excuse me, I will be doing more things, more DIYs. So go check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Show your girls some love. And thank you all for watching. Bye.